Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Hench. In this series, we are going to cover commonly asked Java programs and interviews. We'll try to explain them step by step and see how we can approach a given problem. So we'll start with basic questions that are frequently asked in interviews. So today's program that we are going to cover is program of Anagram. A You would be given two strings and you would have to validate if these two strings are anagram. So first and foremost, let's explain that what an anagram string is. Two strings are called anagram if they contain same number of characters or same characters but in any different order. Say for example, first text is say two numbers would be called anagram if they contain same characters. Say for example, brag, and we call it say grab, right? These are two strings which contain same characters. It has one B, one R, one A, and one G. But what's the difference? It's like sequence of characters can be anything. It can be like this. Still, we'll call this as anagram. So the problem is to identify if these two strings are anagram or not. So to begin with any given Java program, we should first try to find a human given solution to this. The human solution that comes to mind is that how we would decide these two strings are anagram. Like we are comparing number of characters, definitely. Can be the very first check that if number of characters in the string do not match, that means it cannot be anagram, right? Other check could be like we would have to see that each character is present the same number of times as it is available. It should, and character should be available in both the strings. For example, B is present one time in the first and one time in second only. And see, in the sequence we can go in this way. But if we follow this approach, this can be a big loop problem, right? So another simpler solution that is coming to mind is like what if first and foremost would be to compare the number of characters. Then we will see what if we sort these characters. Say for example, A first would be A, B, G, R, right? And if we sort the other one as well, A, B, G, R, right? If we are able to sort, then it is easy to compare both. And if say for example, number of characters are same and all characters are also same, that means we will compare these two, then we can state that these two can be anagram. But if number of characters are same but any of the character is changed, say for example x here, then it would be like x this. So the count of characters is same but the same character is not present in both the strings, that means that cannot be anagram. So this way we can begin with a human solution to a problem so that we can look at the solution first and then try to code the problem. So now let's just try to solve this with Java. For this, I will create a new program, new project first. Let's just create a new Maven project. Uh, okay, I will use a simpler project for this. Let's name this group ID the tech, and I will name this as Java programs. Okay, I'm finishing creation of this. Okay, this new project is created. We will keep using this for all the future Java programs. Let's just create a package here. Example Java program, right? And in this package, I will create a new class to do this. We'll name this anagram. Okay, so this is the class that we have. I hope this text is visible good. I'm enlarging it a bit too. Okay, let's just create a main class method for this execution. We need to write public. Main method is always public static void return nothing, and main it accepts string array. Right. Okay, so this is our main method. Now what we will do, let's uh, declare two strings. First one be string str1 str1, let it be equal to, let's take the same example, brag, and the other one string 2 str2, let it be grab. Okay, these are the two strings. So how we will proceed with this? First and foremost, what we will do, we will compare the number of characters. We should compare the number of characters. If number of characters do not match, these strings cannot be uh, these strings cannot be anagrams. So let's just compare the number of characters. We will have to convert these strings to character arrays. Get or compare number of